Or Pinay, Kaala. And he says, so famous is our Hawaiian, our fireman, #1 here on Oahu, Honolulu.
E halele huanu ia na kano o ka uno ia e ano ine
Maka makai o ka pala I ai e komo aku ho ia o maloko I na ka unui o ahune la ai he anu e ai e ko e vale no ai e umau kia I mai
cleansing pa'akai Hawaiian salt, which preserves the good spirit of pule, of prayer, and all the good thoughts and energy that all of you folks bring today. And we also this is not a violation of law.
Once again, aloha abakia, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the ground staff here in Honolulu.
You know, my head is like this.
On board, and we're here primarily for your safety. With that being said, we'd like to ask you to take a break from all reading and conversation. Give us your full attention as we'd like to share with you some very important safety features of our brand new Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft.
Aloha and welcome aboard. When you're here with us, you're in Hawaii. Aloha, ae komo mai I ka wa'alele. Ke lele oi me mako, lele pu oi me ko Hawaii. Here at Hawaiian Airlines, your safety is our #1 priority. Insert the flathead into the buckle and pull to tighten.
To release, lift the top portion of the buckle and pull away. Seatbelt should pull the belt until it clicks. To unfasten your seatbelt, push the button on the buckle.
It is Hawaiian Airlines policy to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated.
You may leave your seat if necessary.
When you return to your seat, please refasten your seatbelt.
On the right. Please note that exits on this aircraft utilize this green symbol. This green symbol.
Yeah, so like if
have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.